Frankly, the room doesn't look tidy anymore. We're being creative and coming up with as many different ways of eating toast and eggs as we possibly can. Good morning everyone. Today we thought we'd show you around our hotel and we'd share some of the local food with you. So we're going to start at the very top. This is the roof terrace at the Turquoise Residence in Hulhumale. As you can see, not particularly well furnished. And pretty hot and windy up here. But it does have a fantastic view. Not bad, we couldn't get much closer to the sea. Our room is 2 floors down from here, so we'll show you that next. We recorded this the day we arrived because we're here for 3.5 weeks and frankly the room doesn't look tidy anymore. So this is our room. It's a bit tired but it's fine. We've got a kettle, a TV, a safe, a fridge with a small ice box. We can use UK plugs. Nice little seating area, and there is aircon, the ever popular glass bathroom door, no privacy here, there's a hairdryer, as you can see, toilet, double shower, there are some toiletries, they're not great, we brought our own, nice ceiling fan to complement the aircon, and then view outside is of the street and of the sea, not too bad overall. This is our hotel. The Turquoise Residence. Alright, let me see, where am I? Bottom right, that's our room. And that's the beach. Breakfast pretty much every day is the same. It's toast, hard-boiled eggs, some orange wedges, some butter and some jam, and then tea and coffee. We're being creative and coming up with as many different ways of eating toast and eggs as we possibly can. I was going to say, there's a Maldivian YouTuber that we watch and he often talks about something called short eats. And we're going to go and try and find some because we don't know what short eats are, apart from the fact that they're very typical of the Maldives.
It's like a snack type thing. Not sure if it's some sort of biscuit or pastry or what it is, so we've heard about it and we're going to go and find some.
So we have tuna momo, bhajia, cutlet, aloo bonda, I think it is.
Bonda potato.
What's this one called?
It's boshi or something.
That's boshi, coconut roll. And these are shorties, snacks.
They are shorties.
They are shorties.
So we've just been to Darwin's to try some Maldivian food called shorties. That's it, isn't it? Shorties.
Shorties,
Yeah.
yes.
We did hear this and weren't really sure what it was because some guy was having it, for his first snack, wasn't he?
Yeah.
We had to come back after 2 o'clock, didn't we?
Yeah, we thought it was a brunch thing. And we were told, no, come back after 2 o'clock, later this afternoon. So, yeah.
So we tried some. What do you think? What did we have? Right.
We had, so we had gulha, bajia, coconut roll, mazroshi, fishball, valhomas momos, aloo bonda, some water and some Sprite.
My favourite was the water and Sprite.
You liar.
No, what were the round ones?
The flat
There was like
ones.
a flat one with a fish inside.
I think that was the mazroshi. But yeah, it was like a flatbread, but with tuna fried in it, wasn't it? Baked in it.
Yeah. So all the things looked very appetising. And when I was asking the guy, what's in this one? Oh, in this one it's tuna. Oh, okay. And how about this one that looks like bread? Is there something in it? Yes. What? Tuna. And what's this one? Oh, this is a round ball. It's got tuna? No. What is it then? Oh, some other fish. So basically, if you don't like fish, don't bother.
There was an interesting sandwich, a roll.
There was a dolphin roll. It said dolphin. So I asked him, is that a dolphin roll? And he said, no, that's tuna.
So essentially,
They're tuna mad.
they're tuna mad here. So my favourite was probably the momos. Deep
What, a
fried,
dumpling type
the
thing?
deep fried
That
tuna,
was...
that was tuna dumpling,
Right,
deep
so-
fried.
But I do have to say as well that after the first one, and my mouth was burning, I didn't really taste much after that. But I did try the flat one first, and that was a little bit spicy, not too bad.
The bajia is very much like a potato vegetable samosa that we would have at home.
Yeah.
So that was quite nice. That was quite mild.
Well, by comparison, I think it was mild, but my mouth was still burning.
So yeah, for me the momo and the coconut roll.
Coconut roll was very nice.
That was almost dessert.
Very well. It was a dessert, I think.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like a dessert type thing. But yeah, worth trying. Oh yeah, the price. How was the
Price?
So we had 8,
7.
7
1, 2, 3, 4,
shorties
5, 6, 7 different shorties.
and a bottle of water,
Yep.
small bottle of water, and a Sprite each.
Yep.
And it came to how much?
116 rupiah.
Which is about £6.
6 quid, including
For lunch.
tip, including service
Yeah,
charge.
so good.
All good. And Darwin's Hulhumale,
Very
big
good.
thumbs up. We've
Yeah.
eaten there a couple of times now, and it's
Very nice.
been good food, good service every single time.
Yeah.
Next time we go on a snorkeling and adventure day, and things don't quite go to plan, so make sure you come back to find out what happened.